Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the same chapter, that is fraction. Today we will do my practice time 7. See, the question is find the quotient for the following. Here we will learn about the two methods. Okay, here we will learn about two methods. So let's continue with the first method. The question is 0.8 divided by 4. What is the question? 0.8 divided by 4. So before classes we have already learned how to convert decimal into fraction and how to convert fraction into decimal. The same process we will use here. Look, 0.8. 8th is in after decimal, 8th is in 10th place. That's why it is 8 by 10. That's why it is 8 by 10. And 4 is a whole number. Nothing below it means 4 by 1. Nothing below it means 1. That's why 4 by 1. Next is, here we have division sign. I have written, see, as if I have find it, I have written like that only, 8 by 10. But I have changed the number, sign. Instead of decimal, I have written here multiplication sign. And see, I have already changed it. 4 by 1, not 1 by 4. What I have written? 1 by 4. Just reverse it. Remember one thing, when you will do the division, instead of division, here will be a multiplication sign and the numbers will be reversed See, in the table of 4, 8 comes 2 times. That's why I have reduced, I have cut it. In the table of 4, 8 comes 2 times. That's why here is 2. 2 into 1 comes 2 and 10 into 1 comes 10. That's why 2 by 10. After dividing, I have got the answer 0.2. Now do the second method. See here. 0.8 divided by 4. See, I have just put the number as if it is 0. I have kept the 0 here. Decimal goes up. Then it's easy to divide. 8 comes in the table of 4 2 times. Okay, 8 comes in the table of 4 2 times. So 4 2s comes 8. After 8 subtraction, I have got nothing. That's why answer is 0.2. Look here, I have done the both methods and both the methods have the same answers. Understood? So if you want, you can do this one also, and if you want, then you can do this method is also. Look here, one question more. See, question is 0.36 divided by 2. Just I have put the number as if it is. Look, 0 goes up, point goes up, then it will be easy to divide for me. Then 2 ones comes 2. After subtraction it comes 1 and 6 comes down. Then it becomes 16. Then 2 8s are 16. Answer is 0.18. Look, 43.65 divided by 50. Okay. As if 43 is smaller than 50, I would not be able to divide. Okay, that's why I have to take 6 with it. Okay, but as if decimals comes in between both the numbers, I have to remove the decimals. I have removed the decimals from here and I have kept here. Okay, I have kept here. Then I could easily take the numbers, 3 numbers. Okay, so 58 comes 400. After subtraction, I have got 36 and then 5 comes down. 7 times 6 comes 350, and after subtraction I have got 150. 3 times 6 comes 150. Then answer is 0. Okay, the answer is, here comes the after subtraction answers come 0. Then the main answer is 0.873. Again I am explaining it. Listen carefully. 43 50 से छोटा है तो हम इसको डिवाइड नहीं कर पाएंगे, ठीक है। इसलिए हमको 50 का इक्वल तो लेना पड़ेगा नंबर ना। तो हमने क्या किया, 43 के साथ हमने 6 को इंक्लूड कर लिया। तो एज बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो डेसिमल है उसको तो हटाना पड़ेगा, तो हमने डेसिमल हटा के यहाँ पे रख दिया। तो ये 3 नंबर जो है इक्वल हो गया। उसके बाद 58 हमने किया तो आया कितना, 400 से माइनस करने के बाद आंसर आया 36। फिर हमने 5 को भी नीचे उतार लिया। फिर 57 आया 350। आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्शन आंसर आया कितना, 15। फिर इस पॉइंट के बदले हमने एक 0 बिठाया, हुआ कितना, 150। 150, तो 53 सा होता है 150. ठीक है, तो आंसर क्या आया 0.873. आंसर कितना आया 0.873. आप दूसरे मेथड भी देखो. मैंने क्या किया 43.65 को मैंने चेंज कर लिया फ्रैक्शन में. एज बिकॉज देखो यहाँ पे 10th और 100th का प्लेस है. पॉइंट के बाद कितना है 10th और 100, इसीलिए 4365/100 किया. डिवाइड का साइन दिया. 50 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है मतलब 1 है, तो 50 डिवाइडेड बाई 1. हमने पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में भी समझा था. देखो मैंने इस नंबर को ऐसे ही उतार लिया, पर डिवीजन की जगह हमने मल्टीप्लाई दिया और इस नंबर को इंटरचेंज कर दिया. 1/50 हो गया. 50/1 के बदले क्या हो गया 1/50. फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद ये आया. फिर उसको अगर हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 0.873. नेक्स्ट कम टू द माई प्रैक्टिस टाइम 8. Question is 2.12 divided by 5.3. Look, 2.12 divided by 5.3. At first I have written it as if like this. See here. See. 2.12 by 5.3. As if at first I will see the denominator. Okay, at first I will see the denominator, not numerator. At first I will see the denominator. Here after decimal point comes 10th. That's why into 10. So here will also be into 10. If I am multiplying the numerator with denominator with 10, then it will be numerator will also be multiplied by 10. Why I am multiplying with 10? Because here after decimals I am getting only 10th place number. Okay, that's why after multiplying I have got 21.2 divided by 53. So after dividing I have got 0.4. Understood? Now go to the next one. My practice time 9. The question is 601 means 601.43 divided by 10. 601.43 divided by 10. As if I have written 10 6 comes 60, 1 and 4. At a time I am putting here two numbers. At a time I am taking two numbers. That's why I have put 1 0 here. Okay, then decimal point, as because 1 then decimal then point. As I am taking both the numbers together, then decimal will go here. Okay, then 10 ones are 10 comes 4, and then I have written here 3, then 4 times 40, then for this 0 point I have got 1 0 here, then 10 3s are 30. Okay, answer is 60.143. As if same here. Look, 1.423, 6 divided by 100. Look here, 100 and 1. So I have to make it equal. Okay, I have to make it equal. That's why I have removed point from here. I have put it from point here, and to make it equal I have to put 1 0, because as I am taking this number, I am taking these two numbers at the same time. That's why I have put it 1 0 here. So 100 ones are 100 comes 42. Then I have written 3 here. 4 times 400, then 23. Then I have taken 6 here. Then 3 times 200, then 36. And for this point I have written 1 0. For this point I have written 1 0. That was 3 times 300, then 6. And for this point I have added 1 0 and 6. Okay, answer is 0.1236.